Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! This tutorial will also work in case of forgetting your password or lock screen or whatever else. First, we want to pick up our phone and turn it off again. We want to do that by simply pressing and holding power button. We can keep doing that since we don't really have to press reboot, but we can also power it off from here. After the screen turns off, you want to press and hold power button and volume up button, and you want to wait for a moment. And after Redmi logo appears once again, you want to release the power button, and we are now inside recovery mode. In here you can do a bunch of different stuff. You can reboot your device to get back to your phone. You can perform a factory reset. You can connect with Mi Assistant, and to be honest, I'm not exactly sure what it does. And lastly, you can enable safe mode. Usually you probably want to get here just to wipe your data. In order to choose whatever, you want to, as you can see, click the power up key, and I will just reboot the system to go back to my normal phone. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.